Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lala and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made my Jamaican sweet potato pudding. Okay, this is as authentic as it's gonna get because I'm in Canada, you guys, so it's gonna taste the same, but you know, the old school way is best. Everybody knows that. So anyways, I'm preheating my oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll have all of the ingredients in the description box below. So I'm using about 2.5 to 3 pounds of grated sweet potato. Make sure this is not the sweet potato that you use for sweet potato pie because it's not gonna turn out good. Okay, it's not gonna turn out good at all. It's gonna be piaki, mushy. Okay. We don't want that. We want some solid sweet potato. All right. Anyways, so I'm just showing you guys what I am putting in here, but I'll have it in the description box below, so don't worry about that. Just, you know, check out my description after this video. All right, so basically I added my brown sugar to my grated sweet potato. I'm adding my salt and my cinnamon, my nutmeg, okay, and my ginger powder. I'm actually using ginger powder for this. You don't have to do that. You can use the actual ginger, grated ginger, but I don't like the whole, sometimes you have the ginger is like a little bit, you know, it has those like hairs in there. It's like when you grate it, it's like hairy. I don't know how to explain it. I don't like that texture in my mouth. I don't like to taste it when I'm biting in, so I use the ginger powder. So please don't come for me. I am Jamaican, so I do it this way because I don't like that thing in my mouth. But anyways, I'm just stirring that together, you guys, before I add the dry ingredients and stuff like that. Like I said, this is gonna be as authentic as it can get. I have to use what I have. I can get regular ginger. Here I am talking too much. I can get regular ginger. I just don't like the texture in my mouth. Anyways, so I added my flour to that, and I'm just giving it a good stir to combine that. I'm sorry you guys, because sometimes I watch other Jamaican videos and I'm like, that's not how you do that. But then again, everybody cooks differently. But I know some Jamaican must be like, she put ginger powder? How dare she mess up sweet potato pudding? Anyways, so I added my vanilla to that, and now I'm adding my coconut milk. Just give that a stir. I'm sorry, you guys. But it tastes the same. The end result tastes the same, so I'm not complaining. I know some people like to put raisins in there. I'm not a raisin person like that. I am not whatsoever. But if you do like raisins, you could put about a cup of raisins in here. Yeah, about a cup of raisins should be good, you know, for those people that actually like raisins. So here I have my greased 9x3-inch baking pan, and I'm just gonna add the batter to that. This is gonna take a little time to bake, you guys. It's kind of similar to the time of baking a Jamaican black cake. It takes a while because, you know, this is raw potato in here, and you do want it to pretty much melt into the batter. Because what I usually do, I test the middle, and if I could still taste the strands of the sweet potato, then I know it's definitely not done. If I could poke the middle and then taste it and it's smooth, then it's completely done. So I'm just gonna put that in my oven and bake it off, and then after it's baked, I will show you guys. Look at that beauty. Oh, look at that. We're not in Jamaica anymore, so we have to do what we have to do to still eat authentically, or kind of authentically. You know what I mean. So I put the middle, I just took a little bit out, and I'm going to test that. There's nothing wrong if you taste it and it still has a little bit of potato in it. Just make sure it's done, okay? So I wasn't sure, so I just did it again with a bigger piece. Okay, and it was done. So there you have it, you guys. Look at that. My sweet potato pudding. I need to make some, actually. Let's make some more. There you go, you guys. Nice and dense and delicious. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Share it, subscribe, thumbs up, and all of that. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.